Children, today we are going to discuss about the problems of rural settlement. Okay, there are lots of problem in the rural settlement. So one by one we'll see. Rural settlement in the developing countries, mostly in the developing countries, you can say, are large in number and poorly equipped with infrastructure. They represent a great challenge and opportunity for planners. ठीक है ना, in rural settlement you'll find that key infrastructure is the main problem. ठीक है, there's no developed infrastructure, road connectivities are very poor. Okay, banking system is not there. So as a matter of fact, the planners, okay, so it becomes a very challenge, great challenge. होगा. So in order to development to come in an area, it is very important that it is infrastructurally developed first. Okay, so when you the area is not infrastructurally developed, so as a matter of fact, what will happen, the development activity could not come. The planners would have a lot of problem to plan or any kind of activity in that area, because connectivities are not there in terms of road, in terms of communication. Okay, so kind of thing. Now, supply of water to rural settlement in developing countries not adequate. So one of the important problem in rural area is the water problem, scarcity of water. ठीक है ना, adequate नहीं है. So people in villages, particularly in mountainous and arid areas, have to work along distances to fetch drinking water. So the people who are living in especially in the mountainous and the desert areas, arid मतलब desert areas, ठीक है ना, in those areas you will find that कि the people works at long distances, ठीक है ना, they have to go to a long way in order to get a water. ठीक है, waterborne diseases such as cholera, jaundice tend to be a common problem. So in that area you'll find that in the developing area you'll find that the waterborne diseases like cholera and jaundice kind of diseases are very much prevalent in the rural settlement. ठीक है ना, especially in the developing country. The countries of South Asia face conditions of drought and food very often. Crop cultivation sequences in the absence of irrigation also suffer. ठीक है ना. So when you go to the South Asia, you'll find that it also, South Asia, you'll find that there is a repeated, frequent flood, drought in that area. होगा. So drought is there, and again no irrigation facilities. Okay, again the infrastructural problem. ठीक है ना, no irrigation facilities. As a matter of fact, the area is solely depending on the rainfall in order to have agriculture. ठीक है ना. So as a matter of fact, what happens when there is a rainfall, there is a production, and when there is no rainfall, there will be no production. So this is the one of the important factor. So in the South Asia area, you will find food scarcity. Okay, because it is frequently affected by the drought kind of situation. Now, the general absence of toilet and garbage disposal facilities cause health related problems. Okay, so sanitation is also not there, no toilet, no garbage, proper area of garbage, no toilets are there, people are doing often defecation. Okay, so why the government of India, Modi government has come out with often defecation free India kind of scheme or campaign. Okay, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and kind of thing. And also many of the states, our states is also a often defecation free state now. ठीक है ना. So these are the thing, and most these kind of problems are found in the developing countries, rural areas of developing countries, and it is, when you are doing often defecation, when you are not maintaining the sanitation, it will lead to a big problem, big health problems. ठीक है. So you know that very well. The design and use of building materials of houses vary from one ecological region to another. If you see the design of building of different regions, you'll find different. Okay, because different regions have different climatic conditions. Accordingly, the houses are being built. You know that in Assam type house, very well, and how it is, the houses are built in Arunachal Pradesh. You are knowing in the mountainous areas the houses are built in different way. Okay, so kind of thing. हाँ, तो houses are made up of mud से भी, मिट्टी से भी बनता है, wood, टैच, खेर जो होता है ना उसको टैच बोलता है, ठीक है ना। रूफ में जो हम लोग पत्ता यूज़ करता है उसको क्या बोलता है, टैच। तो ये सब वी आर यूजिंग ऑल दिस थिंग, सो इट इज़ वेरी, इट इज़ नॉट ससेप्टेबल, मीन्स ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ flood and rainy season, this type of houses got distracted, okay, oftenly, so kind of thing. And so why maintenance requirement is there? If in every year we have a season of rainfall, during that time your house will be distracted, and again you have to maintain your house again. So kind of thing. Most house designs are typically deficient in proper ventilation, and you'll find that key ventilation kind of thing is not taken care. Okay, the ventilation is very important, na. In the class 9 and 10 you have studied that key ventilation in a house, in a room, is very important, because the fresh air came from the window below the ventilation, and whatever heated air and polluted air that goes out from the ventilation. ठीक है ना, said that thing we have already studied in the class 9, 10, whatever, I am not remembering science subject. So it is very important that ventilation should be there in the house, and these are not available, are not found in the rural areas. Besides, the design of a house includes the animal shed along with its fodder stored within it. And in the tribal areas, you'll find that animal shed or fodder are being placed in that particular area along with the people where these people are living. Okay, so kind of thing, it is not sanitary, right? So we should not do that. If your father and mother and families are doing that, please try to convince them not to do that, so that you are prevented from various diseases. Okay, kind of thing. This is purposefully done to keep the domestic animals and their food properly protected from wild animals. Okay, so we keep our animals with us in the houses, nearby houses, and kind of things. So it is done because of what? To protect our animals from wild animals. Means wild, our pet animals from the wild animals. Okay, so kind of thing. Okay, now unmetalled roads and lack of modern communication network creates a unique problem. During the rainy season, the settlement remain cut off and pose serious difficulties in the providing emergency services. ठीक है ना? So in the rural settlement, you'll mostly find unmetalled roads. Means very raw roads you'll get. So as a matter of fact, during the time of rainy season, it wash away. ठीक है ना? It easily wash away. As a matter of fact, the reason connected by that raw roads are cut off from the main reason. ठीक है ना? So remain cut off from the main reason. It is again an emergency, serious difficulties, because at that time one may be suffer from a big disease, and he or she may not go to the hospitals and all, because connectivity has cut off. ठीक है? So kind of thing. And educational infrastructure for there, it is also difficult to provide adequate health and educational infrastructure for their large rural population. It is also there. The problem is particularly serious where proper villagization has not taken place and houses are scattered over a large area. And it is mostly problem is there in every rural settlement, but the most problem you'll find in the area where the houses are very much scattered. ठीक है ना? Means houses are built very far from each other. So in that case, it is very difficult to plan any economic activities there. So this much for the day. These are the problems of our rural settlement in developing countries. Okay, so please try to understand, and in case of any problem you can ask. Right, thank you very much.